This looks unlooted. Oh no, this was looted.
Yeah, they're here.
I hear him right here. He has blue armor though. He's hurt.
Yeah.
For sure.
Coming around. Down.
Nice. Oh, dead.
Squad down. Need to
Oh,
recharge
there's
my
someone in here.
shields.
Jump down. I can't see you.
He's right here. They're coming. Oh, you're up.
Shield down.
Oh,
On the
fuck.
Right,
Oh, no, behind you. Behind you as well. Hey, he's behind you as well.
Throwing thermite grenade.
Oh, he got him. Good shit. Wow, you guys are dirty. Look at you two. Yeah, he's up here.
Right. I see him. Should we shoot him?
Yeah, I'm going. Let's go. Okay.
His armor's down. Armor broken.
Tossing an arc star. Oh, he's almost dead. Oh, multiple on me. One's down.
One down.
Reloading.
I gotta heal up. The lifeline's almost dead.
Throwing extra. 45 seconds, rings close.
Fuck.
She went inside.
She's inside? Alright, I'm going. Push. Where at? Oh my gosh. Oh, no way. There we go. Good shit.
Reloading.
Yeah.
Got the whole squad.
Good boy.
Need to recharge
Heal
my
up,
shields.
heal up.
Where's that guy?
Yeah, I just got heavy ammo out the ass right here.
Where?
Right here.
Care package being delivered.
Oh, people right here. Two squads fighting. He's right at the care package. Right at the care package. Guy on the roof is
I
down.
got him.
Nice. Oh, he's dead. The other squad's in
No,
there.
we gotta go. Back up the hill. They're gonna come to us.
Oh yeah. Good call. Wait, how? How does that person need heavy ammo? There's so much.
Set the portal.
Oh, this guy's gone.
They're coming.
One down.
Reloading.
One's down.
Killed an
Another
enemy.
kill leader.
Nice. Look at you.
Let's see how they come.
Oh yeah, he was down. He has friends.
Yeah, he's got friends.
Might be trying to go around. Better watch your
Yeah, I
side.
know. I've been watching this side. I don't see him.
Alright, that's smart.
Unless he's like really far away.
Oh, right here. Same spot. Down. Alright, there's one left.
Reloading.
One left.
There's one left? Yeah, he's
Nice. Dude, we're trading kill leader spots.
Yo, that's yellow. I'm gonna go get it.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I get it. Only one squad.
Oh, he's got... Oh, he had yellow.
Oh, fuck. Does he have heavy ammo?
Yeah, I'm taking that. I'm taking the time. I'm gonna give you some.
Oh, there's no other,
Heavy ammo
Oh.
here. Never mind. Heavy ammo here. Patching myself up.
One squad left. Squad left.
Alright, let's do it. Fuck it. I should over 200 rounds should be enough.
I think so.
Oh yeah, right here. Let's go get him.
Heard that.
Alright, wait, I'm coming.
He ran to the left.
I see him.
Enemy over there.
It's just one guy.
Is it just one?
I didn't see anybody else. He's on the top.
If he goes for that, I got him with an arc star. Yeah, he's going for it. Oh no,
I'm pushing in.
he's by himself. Let's just fucking kill him. Got this. Yep, he's on top. He's coming up to you. Oh, there's multiple.
I've been down.
Sorry.
They're on me at the army. One's on me.
Contact with target.
Sean, he's going for you.
Hostile right here.
Around the corner. She's healing. Get it.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
That way.
GG.
That way.
Good comms, man. Good comms.
Let it that way.
Dude, that was good. How many kills? Oh, my Dino. Look at that damage, though.